Suppose someone comes to you and asks, how do you celebrate your Holi in English? Would you be able to answer this question? Or do you know how to wish or greet someone about this festival, that too in English? If not, then don't worry. In today's video, I will help you to deal with such questions. Hi, my name is Vineeta, and in today's video, you will learn how to talk about this festival in English along with some greeting related phrases and idioms. And I am sure after watching this video, you will be able to talk about Holi in English confidently and fluently. So let's get started. First, we will start with some wish or greeting related phrases that you can use to wish someone happy Holi in English. You can use them in person or over a text. I will tell you 5 sentences that you can use alternatively. First sentence, you can say, Happy Holi, have a colorful and joyful day. Happy Holi, have a colorful and joyful day. It's very simple. You can use it anywhere. Second sentence, you can say, wishing you a Holi full of joy, colors and happiness. Wishing you a Holi full of joy, color and happiness. And now third sentence, something similar but you can change some words. Then you can say, wishing you a Holi filled with health, wealth and prosperity. Wishing you a Holi filled with health, wealth and prosperity. You can use it in a formal or informal space. Now fourth way you can use is, may this Holi brings you endless success and joy and have a fantastic celebration. I will repeat this. May this Holi brings you endless success and joy and have a fantastic celebration. And if you want to wish them and their family, then you can say, wishing you and your family a Holi filled with color, joy and happiness. Wishing you and your family a Holi filled with color, joy and happiness. So these were 5 different ways you can use to wish happy Holi to someone. And not only wishing Holi, you can also use them to wish anything to someone. Happy Diwali or birthday or anything. These are generic ways to wish the festival. And now I will answer the question that I asked in the starting. How do you celebrate Holi in English? I will try to answer this question in 5-6 lines in simple words so that you can easily understand. And what you can do? Try to repeat the answer so that you can easily catch some good sentences and phrases. So let's start with that. Holi is a very popular festival in India. It is a festival of colors, love and happiness. And we celebrate Holi in the month of March when the spring season starts. And this festival is celebrated in 2 days mainly. On the first day, people burn a bonfire and that is called Holika Dahan to remember the story of Prahlad. I will narrate this story in a while. And on second day, people play Holi with the colors. They throw colors at each other while singing and dancing and having a lot of fun. And they visit their friends and families and apply colors and gulal at each other. Along with greetings, they keep wishing each other happy Holi. And during festivals, streets are so colorful, everyone seems to have fun. And families cook some festive delicacies, some special meals and sweets. And this festival brings love, laughter and togetherness. So this was my version of how do we celebrate Holi. You can create your version too, or you can take some words or sentences from my story. And now next I will tell you, why do we celebrate this festival? Like, what is the story behind it? Few years ago, I read it somewhere on internet and I found that story very fascinating. What I will do, I will try to narrate the same story in simple words again so that you can easily understand. And also, if someone asks you about this story in future, you can narrate the same story in English. So let's start with that. And the story is, a long time ago, there was a king named Hiranyakashipu, and he used to think he is the most powerful being in the world, even more powerful than gods. and he wanted everyone in his kingdom to worship him instead of gods. And people around him were very scared of him because he was very powerful. So everyone started following his orders. They used to worship him, except his own son. His son name was Prahlad, and he used to worship Lord Vishnu. And that thing made this king very angry because his own son was not ready to worship him. So what he did, this king decided to punish his own son for not obeying his rules. So for that, his sister, king's sister, helped him. And the king's sister name was Holika. And now you can understand this word Holi came from her name itself. And she had a magical shawl that would protect her from the fire. So what she thought, she would punish Prahlad in fire. So she sat in fire with having him on her lap. But something unexpected happened. The wind blew shawl onto Prahlad, so he was protected from fire, and now the Holika burned into fire. And this story shows that good always wins over evil. And that is why on Holi people light a bonfire to celebrate this victory. And this is called Holika Dahan. So this was the story about Holi in my words. I tried to make it simple. You can revise it so that you can better explain about this festival in English. And now next I will tell you some interesting phrases and idioms that you can easily understand with the help of this festival. So let's start with this, and also I will give you some examples for better understanding. So first phrase is throwing colors. That means applying colors to each other. And for this example can be, during Holi, people love throwing colors at each other. During Holi, people love throwing colors at each other. Now second phrase would be smearing colors on someone's face. That means applying colors on someone's face. For that example can be, we enjoy smearing colors on people's face during Holi. We enjoy smearing colors on people's face during Holi. And third phrase would be festive spirit. That means the excitement and energy we have during a festival. So we call it festive spirit. The example can be, Holi fills the surroundings with festive spirit, laughter and love. Holi fills surroundings with festive spirit, laughter and love. And fourth phrase we can learn here, festive delicacies. It means all the food that we make during festival time. And the example can be, gujia and sweets are festive delicacies enjoyed on Holi. Gujia and sweets are festive delicacies enjoyed on Holi. So these were 4 phrases that you can use in your conversations. Now I will tell you some idioms that you can use, that you can remember with the help of colors. Their meaning is different, but I believe with the help of examples, you will be able to understand easily. So first idiom is paint the town red. That means to celebrate something in a big way. One example can be, after India won the World Cup, people painted the town red. After India won the World Cup, people painted the town red. So yes, the celebration was big. Now you can understand with this example. Second idiom would be feeling blue. That means feeling sad. The example can be, I listen to my favorite music when I feel blue. I listen to my favorite music when I feel blue. And third idiom can be caught red-handed. Caught red-handed. That means catching someone doing something wrong. Example, I can say, my friend tried to throw color at me secretly, but I caught her red-handed. My friend tried to throw color at me, but I caught her red-handed. So this was third idiom. Fourth idiom we can learn here, black and white decision. Black and white decision. It means a clear and simple decision. And example can be, Wearing a helmet while driving is a black and white decision for safety. Wearing a helmet while driving is a black and white decision for safety. Now, the final idiom would be show your true colors. Show your true colors. That means revealing your real identity or real personality. And one example can be Holi is a time when people show their true colors, full of fun and joy. Holi is the time when people show their true colors, full of fun and joy. So these were 5 idioms. What you can do, you can create examples in your context using these idioms. So in today's video, you learned how to wish about festivals in English and the story behind it and some phrases and idioms. And what you can do, try to use them by creating a 1 or 2 minute story so that the understanding would be clear. And let me know in the comment section what was the best part about this video. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.